In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox no sound driver. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're playing Roblox and there is no sound, there is a problem with the sound, and you think that there is no sound driver is enabled on Roblox, then what you can do is just simply first go to your search bar and search for device manager. Now from here you want to scroll down and find this sound, video, and game controllers. From here just find your sound software or hardware. So in my case, this is the sound. This is my sound. What you want to do right now is just right click and click on update driver. Now from here, just click search automatically for drivers and it will update your driver to the latest version. So if in any case you're not sure where your sound hardware is, just simply do this to uh, to all of the sound drivers right here. So just do the same step, update driver, search automatically, just do it to all of this. Now after updating all of your drivers, what you want to do is to simply reinstall your Roblox application. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.